Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your network profile type option is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be just go restart your computer. And notice that fixes quite a number of problems, but that in this case seems to be somewhat successful as well. So just give it a moment. Then see if the issue has been resolved. If you are still having a problem, you can try opening up the search menu and type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back with registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then the Export tab. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And once that's done, if you need to import it ever in the future, you can just select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now we are ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so double-click on that. Double-click on the Microsoft folder, and then you want to go down to Windows NT, and double-click on it. Should be a current version folder in here. Double-click on that one as well. Should be a network list folder right here. Double-click on it. And then finally, there should be a profiles folder in here. Double-click on it. And then you'll notice there's multiple profiles in here, but there's going to be something that says profile name. So you want to look for this value in the folder. So either network 2, network 3, or just network. So find the profile name you're having an issue with that's not available. And then for whichever corresponding keyword value that's called category. So again, find the profile name of the one you're having the problem with. So it could be any one of these keys in here. And then for that profile name, you want to select the corresponding category D-word value, double click on it, and you want to set the value data to the number 1. So delete the 0, type the number 1. Base should be hexadecimal, and then once that's done, go ahead and select OK. And then once that is done, you want to go ahead and close out of the registry editor, and you want to restart your computer at this point in order for the changes to take effect. So let's go ahead and restart our computer at this point. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.